All right, y'all. Look at what we got here. It's your boy Mon PBM. Let's do this. All right, I got the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio, and let's unbox this bad boy. I just want to unbox it, and we just gonna let it boot up, and so you can see how it looks and what it could do, a little bit of what it could do, and then later on, maybe I don't know, in a week or two, I'll do a follow up, a review or what have you, and go from there. All right, hold on. I'm gonna have to pause some video because Samsung, for some reason, only let you get 10 minutes of 4K. So let me pause it. All right, let's open this bad boy up. Well, first I'm gonna read it. Let's see what we got on it. Hold up. All right, we got what is this? It's the Microsoft, let me see if you can see that. It's the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio. It's the 11th Gen Intel Core i5 processor. It has 16 gigabytes of RAM. It has 256 gigabytes of memory. And it's the platinum. Well, there's only one color, so platinum. And it's running Windows 11. I went to Best Buy and picked this bad boy up. Let's see. See nothing else on it. All this stuff, let me see. Do I need to read all this? Okay, yeah, it supports Wi-Fi 6. It has Bluetooth and Thunderbolt 4 technology. Now, what is that noise? It must be that shower in there. My bad, y'all, for the noise. Sorry about that. Hold on. All right, let's open this bad boy up. Got my shank. See if I can do it around this camera. Always cut away from yourself. Oh, this is gonna come off. All right, cool. Go to the side. And here we go. Come on up out of there. There we go. Let's set this to the side and see what we got in here. I'll pull this out. Here we go. And all of its glory. I'm gonna set that to the side though. Let's see what we got up in here. I'll go with this first. Alright. Looks like I don't even know what this is, man. We'll get back to that. Alright. The usual manuals. Okay, show you the different postures or whatever you want to call them that they can go in. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. Set that to the side. What else we got? All right, get that up out of here. As you can see, we got the power brick. This is the, how many watts? 65 watts power brick. All right. Put that to the side for now. Well, you know, we just set that right there. I don't think there's nothing else in there. Nah. So let's just set all this stuff to the side. I'll repackage that or whatever later. And let's get to the nitty gritty, man. Let's get down to business right here, dog. Here we go. We got the Surface Laptop Studio. Let's take this plastic off. Take it out my camera, dog. All right. Well, we just start from under here. Why not? Since it's already turned around this way, upside down this way. Now that feels good. Oh my goodness. I don't know if this is magnesium or is this some type of steel? I don't know. Somebody tell me if y'all know. I feel like it might be that magnesium because I got the SurfaceProX and it feels just like this. All right, you got your vents on the side right there. Boom, you got your Thunderbolt ports. Let's see. Over here, you got your, thank you, Jesus, your microphone, earphone jack. You got your Surface plug I think this is a Surface Plug. Yeah, Surface Plug connector, power connector. Nothing back there. Let's lay it down. Open this bad boy up. Am I opening it the right way? Yeah. All right. Bam. Look at that. Came right on. Take that off. All right, y'all. Look at that. I'm trying to keep it in frame. Let's see. Let me see if I can adjust this a little bit.
Turn on narrator by pressing Windows.
All right. I love it that they keep Cortana in there and telling us what to do. A lot of these YouTubers don't even be liking it, man. I'm like, man, get out of here, dog. Leave Cortana on there, man. I want to hear Cortana. Forget them. Let's go. Just had to rant for a little bit. Hit yes. And as y'all can see, look at this thing, man. It's beautiful. It's got a little weight to it, not that heavy. Trackpad is amazing. One of the best. Oh my gosh, that feels good. It's one of the best trackpads I've ever felt. Keyboards, Microsoft always do the best keyboards. So that keyboard feels amazing. Screen looks amazing. Seriously, let me see if this is as bright as it goes. There we go. Oh shoot, that mug gets bright. It gets really bright. Let's turn that down a little bit. All right, we gonna. All right, y'all. You see, we making progress, man. It's checking for updates and all that good stuff, man. And we just gotta sit here and wait, man. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause it, and we're gonna get back to you, man, when it's ready. All right, y'all. We're still loading up, so I just decided to take the cord out. I pulled it out. That's what she said, pull out, huh? I don't like to pull out. My pull-out game is weak. Just want to let y'all know that. Anyways. Boom. Man, look, man, I have zero filter, man. I'm sorry. If I offend anybody, I just be joking. But this the adapter, as I showed you earlier. I'm about to connect this bad boy up. As you can see, it's still loading up. Ain't no telling how long it's gonna be. So we gonna get back when it's done. All right, y'all, finally, man, we back in again. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, excuse me. Sorry about the camera shake, but. And here we go. Let's get it ready. Let's go. Come on, man. We've been waiting a long time for this, man. May take a few minutes. And it just took like a whole hour. No, I'm just playing. It ain't take that long. All right, y'all. We are finally there. And this is what we are greeted with. Let's check it out. Let's just do a little, I don't know, open up a few apps. Oh my goodness. This thing is so smooth. Wow. We'll come back to that. Oh, there you go. Dang it. Let's open that back up. Look at that. Oh, wow. This thing is so smooth. The 120 hertz refresh rate is killing it. Thing killing all my devices up in there, except for my 120 hertz that I'm on this phone that I'm recording on. They neck and neck. Go in here. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I don't know, man. This thing is so smooth. Look at that. Oh my goodness, and the screen is amazing. The screen looks so good, dog. I had to step back for a minute. All right, man, I'm back. But you know what, man? This is one of the best looking laptops I've ever seen. Ever. And ever used. Look at this screen, man. The screen is amazing. These keyboards are amazing. This trackpad is amazing. I mean, let's see how far. Look at that, man. They go that same gnat. I mean, y'all know I've been dealing with that gnat, man, for days now. I'm gonna get that look. I'm gonna get him. All right, I guess that's the furthest it goes back, so it's all good. All right, now let's show you all the all the postures that it can go in. Let me unplug my phone. I have my phone plugged up just to kind of give it some extra juice. All right, so here we got, of course, your normal laptop mode, and then you go from laptop mode to, let's see if I can do this. Bam. There. And that is, man, this hinge is sturdy. Very sturdy. Like, that didn't want to move. You go into, bam, right there into, I think they call that, I don't know. I don't remember the name of it. Oh, man, what is that? Studio mode. Not studio. It's something, man. I forget. They might have just showed it up there. I wasn't even paying attention. Anyways, you go here, and I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's creator mode or tablet mode or whatever. Anyways, it's dope. You got it like, that little net was just right here by me. See, you want to mess with me while I'm shooting videos. I'm going to get it. But yeah, it's got a nice weight to it. I mean, it's a laptop. It should. Powerful laptop too at that. All right, so it's another thing that you could do, flip it back. That way, and whoever over there can see what you got on there. But I'm curious about what this mode is. What is that mode? Somebody tell me in the comments, man. I can't remember the name of it. I forget. Compose mode, maybe, or something like that. I think it was. Anyways, yeah, that's all I got to show you today. I mean, I don't want to really get to talking about stuff, and I don't know what's going on, so I'm gonna use it for a little bit and let y'all know, what's what, how this works, that works. I mean, if you're used to Windows 10 and Windows 11, then you already know. And I'm gonna show you, I guess, the battery life. Yeah, I tell you the battery life on here and how good it video edits and photo edits. Maybe not photo edits. I don't really do photo editing, but video editing. I'll show you something like that. Oh, that pen. As a matter of fact, let me show you the pen. I mean, I don't have the actual Surface Pen 2, but I have the Surface Pen 1. So I'm going to show you how the Surface Pen 1 can magnetize to this. Just a second. Let me get it. All right, y'all. Let me show y'all this. This is the Surface Pen 1. It's not the Surface Pen 2. The Surface Pen 2 is a little better. I like it better than this. But let me show y'all. No, not yet. See, look at that. It goes up under there. Bang. Hold on. No, dog. Go like, no, not like that, man. Hold on. All right, man. I can't do it on the table. There you go. See, I just snap up under there. And this is like on there. Like, that mug ain't coming off. Look at that. That thing is not coming off. Yeah, you gotta really put a little pressure to it to make it come off. Anyways, as you can see, it just automatically works to it. That's dope. Anyways, let me show you side by side of this Surface Studio with my SurfaceProX. Okay, let's tilt it this way. Trying to look at that in the camera and do it, talk about it and do all that. Let's see if we can get this up in there more. Come on, dog. No need to mess with that. Turn off. Okay. There you go. You see them side by side. the Surface Studio right here to my right, and the SurfaceProX to my left. They both are some beautiful devices, but the Surface Studio, man, dog, this Surface Studio is killing it. You can just lay that down, of course, use it as a tablet too. Bam, there y'all go. My bad again. But I'm gonna show y'all, I'll get back with y'all, man, on the review and let y'all know what's what and which one I prefer. I already know what I prefer, but I'm gonna tell you why. I mean, if you already don't know. So, all right, man, I'm gonna holler at y'all. Y'all be cool. Deuces. I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. All right, man, I forgot to tell y'all, please like and subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate that, man. Now we out. Peace out.